Hi, this is Aurelia. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to wash mixed clothes the right way using a Hisense washing machine. Let's get into it. After you're done sorting your clothes, you load your clothes into the drum. Do not overfill it. Leave it with some space at the top so everything can move freely. You then have to select the correct program. You'll choose the mix option. Others, I think, they have the cotton option. After that, you'll choose the correct spin. I usually use 1400 so that they can come off dry. Then I'll ensure the water inlet is put on. After that, I'll press start and ensure also the detergent is in the detergent area, detergent compartment, that is. Usually it's label 2, and then you press start and the machine will start the washing program. So as it you'll check and see if there are any errors that will come when you start the washing. Usually it doesn't take long, like 10 minutes. If there are no errors, it's gonna do the washing till the rinsing part. So when it reaches the rinsing, that is when I usually take my softener, that is cloth softener. I take a cup of it and add it. This softens my clothes and also gives them a good scent. I usually use So Soft, as you can see, and for washing I use Persil. I can use the Persil powder or the Persil liquid. So when pouring, ensure you do not go past the maximum level on your washing machine. That shows that is enough for washing. After that, you close it and then you leave it to rinse your clothes. After rinsing, you'll see it will go to the last step, that is the step where it uses the fabric softener. So you check and see the softener has already been used. Now it's going to spin it and ensure it's all used till the clothes are now dried. And yeah, that is it. The washing cycle here, now it's almost done, and now you can see it's almost done, and that's it. Washing mixed clothes doesn't have to be so confusing. Just follow these steps and you'll get clean, fresh clothes every time. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more laundry tips. Enjoy your washing machine. Enjoy your washing. Bye bye. Till the next video. Comment below if there is any video you would like me to do. I will do it. Have a good day, have a good time, have a good night. See you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below.